Hi everyone, I'm back with another art journal video. Today I'm working on this mini art journal which I created using some old receipts. So I will be working on this page, and I have some jelly prints scraps with me. So this is what I'm going to use on this page today. So first of all, I'm just going to trim the white paper. And now I'm going to start adding this print as a collage on the page. So while I was deciding how to put this, I felt that a little bit of textbook page is needed in the middle. So I added this page, and then I started doing the rest of the collage as usual. I don't mind if all of the textbook page is hidden. There was just a small section which I felt needed the textbook page. That's why I placed it there. And I'm quite liking how the collage is looking right now. So after that, I'll start working on adding some texture. For this, I'm using this corrugated stencil, and I'm going to use a crackle paste for it. So this crackle paste was dry, so nothing to worry about. I had another small bottle of the same company's crackle paste, so I opened it up and started applying it onto the page. Before storing this crackle paste, what I did was I sprayed some water on top of the paste, and then I took a small thin plastic sheet, sprayed some paper onto the plastic sheet, and then closed it on the with the lid. So that's my way of making sure and hoping that the crackle paste will stay moist rather than going dry in this weather. So as you can see, the texture has crackled up very nicely. So now I'm going to add some small text to the page. I love to put texture, the stamps on the texture. It gives them a very nice look, which I really love. So now I'm going to work with this Fabio Empire Gold wax, metallic wax. So first I tried to do it with the help of the hand. Then I was not getting the kind of texture I wanted, so I got this brush. This is more like a stencil brush, but I use it for my wax impressions. Loving how it's shining onto the page. And once I was happy with how the page is looking, I also use the same wax to edge the border of the journal page. I will set this aside to dry for a while, and this is how the page is looking. And now it's time to add a focal element to the page. I have first cut this girl out from a digital print. Once I was happy with how the lady stuck down, I'm going to ground her onto the page by adding some washi tape. Okay, I'm quite happy with how it's looking right now, and it's time to add the quote to the page. Now, just the last touch, I'm adding some white splatters to the page, and I've hidden the face of the focal element with the help of a tissue paper. And here's the close-up. It's a very short and simple page, and I'm loving how it turned out in the end. Here's the crackle paste texture with the stamp on it, along with the stamp everywhere on the page, the white splatters just enhancing the page beautifully. Happy. So guys, this is it. If you like the page, I hope that you will give it a like and share comments below and share it with friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.